Ankasa. Yeah. Never yet a Jumano and function anymore. We are here to give you all the support that you need. Amen.
Auntie Abena. I me Auntie Bakope. I am Elijah Baby. Fat Abena to Abena. I am a dear papa. Otu when I am seminar meto because quite back now so it's a dynamic pa for or quenya ya or dear mine. Send a mecan, send out to an asemiana me 20. I am a Nije pie that's Yamiase in yes, I am so uncle Swama holding baby do a bit do no uncle Sonia Cassica, not you may so yenya. I see for baby and Chanko Sompa programs, followers, viewers, and Yakasena, Sompa, so many Yakasena, so now so oko, when him sign, Tiadanyamias. Near us, so praying.
Me coming in. Hey,
I just want to say God bless you. And God should give you the wisdom that you need to do this work perfectly, right? Everything. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
American, the pass, your sister Baku, and me kai, that be I call London. Na Jonathan Butler, ebe performing conference be I call or we na also for the cancer. Jonathan Butler, okoye say nipa bia ya sumanu to the secular world because apart from so gospel musicians, he has a lot of collaborations with secular people. So through that, minister to secular people. Ye who say any animal are doing well on a supposed secular platform. It's a big message. It's very, very important. You know, say Sompa is broadcasting to everybody. Sompa is not a typical Christian station because normally we say, we are Christian, this is a Christian station, but through this channel, we are reaching out to many more people. With the gospel, and I thank God. Say, me now we are banker. Me now we are banker, but they be me share it to me. Say I reach this. Now me also sounds we gospel museum. Say no stream me say, mommy we the Juma banker, Juma so because obiwa banker. Say customers there. Just a switch job me there. They be me who say. Now they be me who say there is more to you. Yeah. There is more to you. Me who say you sound a gospel museum. Me say and now me cannot. We no acquire say. Who start pressing another button in your life? That's right. So there's more to you. So we had the energy say Sister Bakuzu Abena such a platform. Not through her no. God's work will go far. Yeah.
Yeah, in here preaching, hallelujah.
Oh, Charlie. So it is preaching now.
It's exciting to hear from you. It's exciting to hear from you. I mean, I'm saying we will prove sorry. Yeah. And you are 30 years in the industry.
30 years.
Hey, Charlie. 30 years, you're telling me. Oh, you're 40 plus. No, you're 40 ahead. 50, yeah.
Please, can you? Because they be go for catch you say, hey, Charlie, come on, you Sompa no, na elimunyum, choreography. I'm say, and na anti married there come your son na you call DHS no Satan na you no onu nyum here you
okay the box guitar no the
Charlie so yeah, but we've been here for 30 years and by the grace of God we are celebrating concert we were a Silicon House.
Right.
But subsequent to the concert, no, the concert and say acquire single. Yes, you be release single very soon.
Wonderful.
Then on the back of that, no, you per se school.
Radin to two and namo NCA. ɔmfa nnwom toɔ ɛnhyɛ tɛkyerɛ ma so na Awurade Nyankopɔn ɛmfa sɛdeɛ ɛnhyɛ w'afunum Awurade ma wo mama so nyɛ den ɛnsene w'atamfo Awurade Nyankopɔn tutu ɔnamɔn ɛnsie Awurade ma w'akyi dɔmpem Awurade Nyankopɔn kyekye wo taatamfa nkɔto baabi ɔno Awurade asafo Yehowa ɔno ahyɛ sɛ ɔde wo kɔ ɛhyɛ nkɔnto abrabɔ so yɛsɛ bɔne nka wo na ɔhaw mmɛn wo ntomadan ɔpem bɛtɔ wo benkum ɔpedu bɛtɔ wo nifa ebi nka wo te wodeɛ w'aniwa na wode bɛhwɛ ne wo ho ɔdebɔnyɛfo akatua Awurade anim tie ntɔɔ so Awurade nhyira ntɔɔ so Awurade aba so bɔ ɛnyɛ w'abotire Awurade nya wo kyɛm Awurade nya wo katabo Awurade nya wo tipagyafoɔ Awurade nya wo ntamgyinafoɔ Awurade nya wo werɛkyekyefoɔ pa adeɛ bi a wahyere Awurade mfa ntomo bosome wɔ mu Awurade ma wo nsere wate Awurade ma wo dansedie Awurade ma nipa hunu sɛ ɔno na aboa wo na wakyekye wo werɛ wɔ Kristo Yesu din mu ɛne abɔ mpae
Nyame ase efisa menhyia Nyame anka ɔbonsama yɛ mi defe minim sɛ saa ne wadansedie no minim sɛ Nyankopɔn basaye adom wagye free wo kwada nnemu ama enyum wei dawa no mema wo good afternoon mijiri sɛ wo ho yɛ pa Enna me jingle no kano yaba and DJ Richmond your friend is saying yaba aha so say yaba me ma good afternoon baby awobia enne so nyankropon ebieye Ordina dum no adum ye. Nyame anka otamfo na ye defe o. Nanso se nyame kan ye hu nko ade. Okuapi ni beka se nko ade. Oh, obonsa want to me fa ye nye hanam mane se. Otu amna na obetom. O shisha enyina. Obopona nyankropon besane ama wafa wo ho ama wade wo ho oh eneye Monday ejuada ejuada kra se ne sei eju enti nia etu weekend ni biara Samre ya wote mini ejo wanka say amen. Yeda nyame ase yema wakwaba eba Sompa delight so. Me ba try be frequency did I meant to so Sompa delight. I don't know matis hobby rehearsal gidi wo fio. Na ada obeba beba wa ha no some my promises say chocolate man nti beba so me pa cho edian me jeswa ne Abena Ruthy me sama wo akwaba eba Sompa delight so and then Monday eni jenkwa ne de bro fa hodie ne de bro to me and I de bro ai yes ne awuni no ntumi fa ma enti ne amekeke nyina me wo bi ntimi da ne nyina ma o e wo yesterday mo me fa kwanye so other Lexter Company Limited producers of Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush ase omo so yasne e wo dwumedie so ai Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush and no dear we use ma wo se pa ebe ye fite to say my favorite word rich ahoma me che bibia baby awo bia nyankropo onkoso a onhwa no mo ho ban ene so yaba me name me producers name me crew nyina ye wa ha producers ko mu ya he eti producer ma wa kwa ba
yeah now
Auntie Adwa
hello
Auntie Adwa wo fie ha
me wa hapa
aha okay me wa kwa ba
me just
na sa na mente o sleeky voice no na mente na why how could children one now what's it
what you see word in the medal
may use nene and word because you see what social media Emma go shares any Lillian chipezo say when amunti obunka mama fila no
okay my fila
mama was fila later but it's on social media so Zambian lady now wa visit Ghana Kenyan na Emma oba any ade omu yedede wo social media baby and am become omu word me say abrante nte na no monwuma onje pakuchidinos no fan describing girl na yonko inti eguso anyway I trust you're fine. We thank God. We can listen so echo fine and and I dear your complaint and say eradi dawasio because I say adie nyine mu no yen fast da ma no na wo da na se no no ye mo me anu na wo de beka ena mi bro ena mi yese yo ena mi yese no se sa no na wo dane edi kase eradi mi jiwudi minim sa wo beye ene ne ka ho a ebebe mama o sene abrene bebe ma wa gusu ka no sa na papa ne so ma nti me ne wa enkatem bia meka papa no exactly nti me principle no wo ye din me fe me say
sa pepe
anyway ya de jam ya say nti yaba me gidi say tie for so China omatie ne wo ma omo ne no ne ma bebre wo ho in fact ye wo lovely lady bi obeba be kan story bi ni ade book bi a watch on a life story touching she'll be in the house in fact she's already in the house ye better nka na face so abedwa for beba na ya tie omo nka discussions bebre wo ho ai enti ene word no oh
we are ready.
Are you ready?
We are ready.
Where they wo ho na easy o where they were on easy me did say Martha betumi abo ye call her Martha o betumi abo okay 80 word ne ye cattywampus
mami hey daddy na odi
tie say obi botai na achia sa na o pese o catch ni say the tie na achia o be ka den and I say wakoto wall hanging with them na Atlantis achia sa na o be describing it say hwehwekati one post nti ma me spell CATTYWA wehuana MPUS enti me pa show mo man mu hwengo metie for no mo te
okay on a normal day bia ukohu say ida so obeka say a sloppy
okay
and I say bia a dislocate
ayo
and I say
a shift
obi say it as chia
but there's a right word cattywampus 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 is an informal American adjective meaning crooked, askew, misaligned, or out of place.
Okay.
It describes something that is not lined up correctly,
okay,
off center, or arranged diagonally.
Okay.
Often used to describe messy, tilted, or haphazardly positioned objects.
Okay.
I think
example
it has done
example. It has done justice to the
example.
One. Careful because many example
example 1. That picture on the wall is totally cattywampus. So simple.
Now I can bomo.
That picture on the wall is totally cattywampus. So Pacha say frame ne hangi hone achia.
Usually it happened. It be from Bobby.
Yeah.
Watch cry to me. I can't one posy.
The store.
Hey, producer, I don't know so.
Oh, make
I got one post.
Sister.
The store is cattywampus to the bank.
Oh, it's
diagonally across. Into one say no so context ni different.
And know your location.
Okay.
Okay.
After the party, the room was all katiwampos. Not to say baby messy.
But what's that spell? Me just so be busa spelling near day.
Okay. CATTYWAMPUS. Katiwampos.
Okay.
Menya 2 examples be wa me pese.
Okay.
I'll say his glasses are katiwampos on his head.
I just say if you are there to need to na chia.
Tony the nation but it account 1 post.
O say on his head, then Tony asem.
I say, and I so I say that shelf you built is looking a bit katiwampos.
Yeah, I just say well alignment.
And yes, and your ma you too good them pass on near you sakatu.
Because they're messy. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And na ya na ye jai normal words na ye use we nim be me say dem mu use. Mu use.
City Hall is katiwampos to the post office.
Thank you. Enti na ye weather e wo hodo no I weather e wo hodo no. Enti thanks to vocab score na say yenya word for friend katiwampos.
Ye mo say ma Sompa.
So
delight.
Wait, tie Sompa delight won't word no.
No kwasem say sankenya Sompa delight ya me word me question we.
Na wo ko hu ni we.
Enti frobi no be so frobi. No ka cha ni say Sompa delight chegu enti katiwampos enti make sure say wo dem ho nye katiwampos enti to nyoma no ma ho nye saketu
obi onim na bia ne dem ai basana ko kan se ya obesrew e de be katiwampos e de be obako hwe o pa hwe no sa na ovi ma ba gugu na hwe ohun we na
katiwampos enti I don't know all right enti madam say konfansa ho
kakra bi
okay ti efa kakra nhye so na eja ye ma ye lady no
say na de ye wo na enya more time na ye ntimi na lady no me follow no on Facebook
me follow
me follow no on Facebook
okay
and stories ni recently fire bi obeko say them say hey mami fire bi obeko say ye ne controversy bi. But
that's my queen for you.
Yeah,
Nina. Queen
Richla. Bold and then in-depth woman.
Oh yeah.
I have met her and then.
Anyway, straight to my stories for the day.
Okay.
2 na me jam ho. Former Little Mix singer, a friend Jesse Nelson. Where the story is a bit. Minka say a bit is sad. Your first singer be Jesse Nelson England na obezi.
Okay.
Na waye appeal bi say ne car oyusu enkofo bi beje car ni free ni nsem na car ni mu ni containing hospital equipment ni ne bi ode treating the twins.
Oh.
My twin daughters. Ye je car no niam ni nyina wom. Enti ayera enra ne siye.
Okay.
Enti o appeal a 34-year-old singer, a black Land Rover ye ebi. Car kama. Oh, picture na man fa ma Augustine wo.
I got your heavy. Kwa konya konkonsa na o pese e heavy.
Oh.
But asem ne
enti oko Instagram no say why ready so be offer 10,000 euros the amount will be obetimi aboa na ma ne nsa aka. Car no because ne children no twins no almost suffer from Arabia friend no spinal muscular atrophy.
Okay.
Enti eno mu na niam odi treating kolande show mu nyina wom. Enti se wenhu
just in the hospital no.
Ne hospital no. Everything is in the car. Enti stress obi obekwa ko hu black Land Rover bia no. Ewo Brentwood area hono obesre se nipa kro no won fa mre no on se anaso won fa police station bi e ben se de be ya ne nsa betimi akanya sa pa dia e be ha adwen
ne manenti
singer no ne special appeal what the buy na wonim se Ochiame Kwame celebrity 50 years. Over the weekend ko ye show kama any in fact Pacho Ochiame Kwame picture bit to sumame. Onene wife no onene wife no cry picture. And a program ne ye kama. Na or making revelations be. Or say he's been with ne wife all these years for 21 years on fan yire chida.
Ada ya ogwanwana.
Oh, that be well, I am one but I said that you one.
Okay.
I have 50-50.
And
I'm over see, hey, brow chiame. Oh, yeah, sure, some are working no cray. I'm saying, no cressing. For 21 years, or say on cheating on the wife that.
But which is a good testimony.
A very good testimony. And I found it worth sharing because these days, no, internet, this why so
many issues.
Bibia basa saketu.
Aye kati one post. Exactly.
Internet this why kati one post. I am messy. And you obi na eja na yere ya. Obi ija ni kunu. And you obi na eja ni kuna. Obi afa na yiri achi. DNA bia ba ye se enye nko papa ne ma. Say enyo ma basa ma ware ne kra nkofo ka say enya kono kra bi. Ah no kra di ayira. Enti wo nya ye nya testimony say ya. E say ye ka ho asem. Na ye ma omanfo nyina hu say ewiase. In as much as evil and negativity a trend no. Good. Positive so wo ho. Enti osisi obi wo hono mo no betimi aka say oni na ye bibida the person should bring evidence bra out aye and that's what we beka say oni yes wo behemu enkola 2 days am wako be ma wako wo baby oso obi wa dance e bi sa onfamra na obe defend na osi enye sa omanya aware no de bia de they have their down moments they have but oma ye oma dream say eba omu mienu na omu be gina no no ma solve wo mu issues there's no day omu de ntokwa be kwa akoda there's no day omu de ntokwa be kwa akoda which is very good enti no ye fanye nkranhye ehunu say enema pa bebre wo wiase ni papa o mema papa wo wiase e ma papa nso wo wiase ezu koda no abompa ese nyame be ma papa ni bi se na be ya 22 years no one ne betena onfo achi da
and we go beyond that so we
go beyond that
22 no we go beyond
over the weekend there was a gentleman who shared a testimony on Facebook page be me follow na osi omko asori ne couple we be celebrate 41 years anniversary aware na according to him no man second marriage ne first marriage na anyeye into the second marriage oba na so second marriage
and omenya
41 years together and na obi say omo say then ne ba ya they've been able to stay together for 41 years and osi adeketu ebi no say adeketu ebi or say de bia every blessed day the day will not end wabra they will not tell each other I love you and then oma and say enye say anoso keke o the more when you say the more you say it no the more na it becomes part of you
exactly
it becomes part of you into say so mo ko said den so mo nti o mo ho said den say the wife buafu said den papa na na e kan o say papa na e kan na ne wife no ejina ho na no dinity oboni niti nko no osresre nkakra
onwinwi
and he said that it has worked for them all these years and it's not the first time I made tears testimony especially sa phrase no oka oso o maka masesia no enye kasa biem abeye honhom enti se bibi kroni na ne temper was so said the cry na ne wife ba oh medo so unim se medo pa I love you so much my man deal we ya bay obo se for whatever reason
yeah I saw the good news so say
yeah I said you didn't so na cut one post situation bi aka
me they say no
I say any pedi
so you so cut one post entina enka obey discombobulated na free ho we free discombobulated
me free me ka
na nyina account me whatever not above form or say it has worked for them like magic.
Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing.
Ain't you know? I think say you may be saying yen type SM and say me pet stories be saying.
Sister, I'm concerned.
Bet me a saying crying. Na and Crawford be no more abemabu our real one relationships and one come bet me encouragement besides it's not that bad.
That's right.
It's not that bad.
It's in order. It's in order because I never say no. Abena Ruthy last year in common a bit never far real life.
Okay.
Am I the lawyer be crab bim no one church because you see Uncle Fubu say, eh, on to Muko almost a penny paper and to Niaomu ye be a one. Eh, na yesu ye what limelights media was see to me too and go for more limelights move. Any people only limelights no who near was all ye incident any beba lawyer be about on the line.
If you are Santuani trend, you want my video. Almost peace pipe video.
Almost smoky peace pipe. I see.
Nah, just say, braid, you know, I can't be a crown watching a home. None of it in a veggie today. Tada!
When I'm when you know, no more cheers.
Social media. Tell me so on my carbon way. No, I feel Nipan Betro. See. Hey, Mama and says.
Anyway, what's some party lights today and sense for Abrabia Bako and Nebacostro? Oh, won't come anymore. Medase. And tea, yeah, bet to us, so you bet to us, not yet to me. I'm a Queen Richla, a barbe, Jacunia, and no abon como. Minya camera da sister Adwa so ha. Asebia oh you need to have it easy Yeda Eradia say for yet another beautiful day. Indeed, Moja Deshino Ena Amaya Deye Hon Enti Mera Dimo Meda Antia enemy producer I say for word corner, vocabulary corner, Ena Konkonsa. Memfa kwenye isonchia Antia Kosia Ago Abwaji Madam Communication. Madam, I feel why. It's an order say a chair MD near chair Ejumera Ane. Now I would see me so make chow shonko. Meda so waje brena would see me. Hey, me baby see OTM yo mama menchia no why Mrs. Lydia Abaye I CEO for Lead Fashion Creation ewo Bubuashi Ogle Road Lydia Mechao. Wow. Queen Richla.
Sweet, beautiful Abena.
You're welcome. You're welcome to Sompa Delight. Na. Only how now ma share Sompa Delight t-shirt to them.
Ayo.
Because now my ready abra me nya message no. E ho na me ko hwehwe na me just have sister ade ni nyina. Enti me ma wa kwaba shonko me ma kwaba. I mean it's your second time
I
here.
know, right? So the feeling is great.
Your family already.
I know.
Yeda nyame ase for your life. Enti you have a book. you are launching.
Yeah.
Saturday, we will talk about it. But really, in fact, go for people sending a message that they want to hear your story. As you said, say Obekan, they want to hear. So tell Etiefo, who is Queen Richla?
Queen Richla, oh God. Queen Richla, as social media, most people that have followed me, at Sompa kind of say I'm the strongest woman.
Wow.
But they don't know that sometimes the strong woman still breaks down. So Queen Richla is just a woman who is now using her social media to inspire the youth.
Okay.
Based on my life, what I've been through and everything. I just want to use my life story, whatever I have learned so far in life, to inspire the youth. So if you follow me, all my write-up, everything I'm posting is about the youth not giving up, not competing with people, be contenting of what they have.
Wow.
So all that I'm doing now is Queen Richla World inspiring the youth, using my social media platform to inspire the youth.
Okay, so Etiefo you. Ebia obi pese oti asamba ku bia uko omunti a ama wate oti towards say ne he nti share one with us if
you can. For me na and I'm so grateful to many opportunity we are meeting media kasa. And there are some things we are making Accra be am kan of Viada. And if you book no craving for am in true it's a opportunity can see. My name is Queen Richla, as before said. Book na ye. The title is My Scars, My Testimony, meaning that it's my life journey as a single mother. And I'm actually dedicating this book to all single mothers.
Okay.
Before, this book is for all single mothers. It's for mothers, but it's for all single mothers especially. Before me announcing my book launch, I have 3 girls.
Okay.
The first one will be 10 years in 28th May.
Okay.
And I've been a single mother for 10 years.
Wow.
And I'm celebrating my 10th year as a mother, as a single mother. And this is just a gift because this is my birth month. Me launch book on the 25th and my birthday is 28th.
Oh,
so
wow.
It's like a birthday gift for myself.
And your daughter is also a May
28th May.
Oh,
May
same
born.
as you.
Yeah, she is 28th May and I'm 28th April.
Oh, April. Okay.
So the date is the same, but the month is different.
Okay.
Auntie Abena, before I make it publicly on Facebook,
I am a training nurse. Why? For no say I am
a for answer now. Maybe book no way December lunch book no.
Okay.
Out of frustration, me make a post about my second child, Papa.
Okay.
It was Facebook. And later did I know that post will go viral, and it did. Now be share comments, people sharing on one so a testimony.
Wow.
Your name as a single mother.
Wow.
So it's not doing. I'm saying no. And see when I am for throw people on social media because I'm a single mother. And Abena, nobody wakes up and says that, and then me feel say me
single mother. Say that again, eh? Say that again.
Nobody just wake up, because you and I know that single motherhood, even worst enemy,
you wouldn't wish for them. Yeah.
Wish for it drain you mentally, it drain you physically. Just a BBM. So Yankopon yansem no, e kwan a eba for me no. Enipa mienu na money for me. Even any technology can still you drain bibi from bema ho. You drain no ba ansa na for me nti nyame nyansem no. Ono ponim say ya ade ye nipa mienu ade. Che se nipa mienu na betimi ahwe. Ti na nipa mienu na for me. Ti ekoba say like I'm saying senyo bia na wake up say and then me no niema me bebo born niema it me lead to women becoming a single mother. Obi on ke bi shemu na ni kunewu. Ojane nkransia. Ma me ne ke bi shemu no obada ne obatan a oye ankonam.
On se ne amese de ko no.
Ya ankonam. Obi so nke bi shemu oja ya aba. Me ntime hu asinti be ma ne de abufuo se me kra me fiu woni nkra no obeye single mother. Obi so nke bi shemu wa trust be maybe ordinary asheni mu nenso so nyinsen ba ya so ko se no oba tan so ma de bi ehye mu de mitimi se no abeye single mother ti eniema ba ku mienu miensa enan Nemo Babe single mother. Me, my journey started when I was in a serious relationship. Like, ya boy and who ya to toy every and yes, be a 1 night stand be an arm and I'm a baby and I'm kosham. Sebi, it's not semi who has semi share me who so ye. At the age of 25, I was still a virgin. Into so bit so story, no, I a single mother of the baby said be out by who bra. Yeah. No, be share me who see. There's also a bravo monster. Yeah. I had my first child when I was over 30 years. Oh. It's that time, no crying, and I'm in any partner ya dating, now almost 4 years. So I even got alarmed that, but me no be at in the space of 4 years, dear. You say, by Adam, what problem, and I'm your issue, and to me, cry me a day, a shame. Then I was like, oh no, even though we are planning to save a worry, dear, at least you say so, and we are. To me, dear, you share Cocachemin and I say, Nana. We be matching for 4 years. Yeah, plan to be what we do, but yeah, they are 4 years now. So you say by a nurse and I'm more problem now. As woman and I can't say, "One we are me we." Obe unye boni yam for dim boni and so that. Auntie Abena, me mama kuchia school fees and mammy. We call pharmacy school students are master school jeje. Me make cram so to Koyamba. Say month way now, or 2 or cram ya the following month no. Now call your miss feelings because already now like I'm saying Nippon ya go 5 years you know. The bus and then media kakra at the same time so me go school. Or cram is all to coins me share and saying That's Abena. You so kakra.
Hallelujah. And some no emuye do. Say utumi braving up na say utumi ye ne irabaya ye ya. Oh na wo so hu senyankropo o baby o de wo ko. Queen,
I'm getting emotional kakra
yes, ne kakra because I was see a book launch ne ho asem. Book launch
ne be ka ho asem. After me test around here I was idea asem me. Any test and I'm so minyanko hospital say enka encha na beba Ghana nti oba na ina ko hospital na mo me the pharmacy kit attesting a positive oba Ghana man tenenka na wotwe me nsa and I'm a baby out knowing various on any sister no this as assume say o to feel me fear cancer na wo to coin wow oba so maintaining ka fast forward and I'm now Mantenenka bio na me decided say me come back chebe ma me papa me papa ni Ghana o say I good news share weji na even if I won't worry ko yen fe no to nche e good news ma me say good news na say manya aboto yem say me say no but na me de me baba kan wa ha say na me kan wo book ni na maintain nkan nti no me confali in friends na dan fo bi say no rich la the rent ye obeja na monaka honko enti uma me so do go school na me ncho baby na kosel wow and I tried the other for but only baby me take can na me ko na kaka me do hospital wanna be you shame then I started praying that ready my baby is na dia me ma bomb timu for say ko ye enya ma you could do hospital nurse need me to bed no so then start to me for wanna be I didn't kiki like I was so also scan when me scan so sorry call scan bra scan one am busa scan run and say what is in my tummy so where are you from this hospital so it means this and this now call you me cash and show the Jeff you know test and call me they call you 4 hours nobody spoke to me a place on where side you know we were coming in and out but I was still sitting there obia ko we na ma me mpanifo form frame me what the same Mr. 31 and we got 32 why would that miss me would we had the drums we go school at the come Mr. say na tie won ko who baby no what chile umbilical go ni bibia yet me separate the baby from you you try you will die it is all there still as over here then you call them na kono we do what to am wabusia
hey wow
apeja na me di mani mu ati because already no.
Now one person will be here and wakonya confirmation.
Auntie Ajo, I didn't hear from this man. Only on the 5th month, the first week of January. Because I got pregnant like somewhere October. So if even I conceived September, so September, October, November, December. First week of January. A mutual friend of ours. I said, Rach, I thought you told me this and I'm seeing something else. So what are you saying? I said, okay, hold yourself. I'm going to send you something. On Sunday, I brought 10 engagement pictures.
Wow.
And wedding pictures. And can you me age group of Ponamenga me who been a woman that will be even twice his age.
I see. And now our different agenda.
Yes.
It was so tear says no different agenda. What's happening touching no queen?
And I went through the school to prepare
wow. Wow.
Internship. It's maybe pharmacy cry.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you, my darling.
And it's a good thing that you pursue you never know what this child is going to be in your life. You said 10 years there also, but you have seen say
yes, I cried in some age more electricity company of Ghana.
I see.
They won't share.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow, amazing story. Amazing story. Intiwa udi we nyina ahye. I mean apart from now we disclose the chain.
Like we had 3 children.
Okay.
And Akrabia want a story. Near mommy decided cemetery book. The book is not for the world. It's a legacy I'm giving these children.
Okay.
When I'm dead and gone, every time they pick the book, they know they sacrifice their man. Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
We are amazing, woman. You're strong, woman. You are blessed.
Thank you.
And I'm happy that we belong to the same family.
I know, right? And talking of what she said, and on a month up to the book writing.
Okay.
You see, the first girl, we were on social media. Getting engaged, or making it publicly on the social media space.
Wow.
It's at the same time, pregnancy, and any break and be by, Hey, Auntie, I've been dragged.
Wow.
I've been mocked. I've gone through shaky on Facebook. It's in our account and say no. This experience or this I've gone through. I remember when I had my 3rd child. Now, me try my way and I'm posting a pregnancy post. 2 ladies, Betty D. Matem will be posting now to say, what is so joyful about posting about a child that young worry me? Am I not ashamed of myself? And I'm like, a woman same. Me go through cries and I'm there was a cry wouldn't name. It's me worry in my na etosumi and sentia. Because she baby Asiana. I'm like, it's all this mockery, all this. I'm saying no. Let me write a book. What I've been through, I won't be the first. I won't be the last. What is the last time I'm in my makers and I'm say, oh dear, 3 with different. Oh dear, 6 with 6 different men. And then the answer so I story to cry and so no no. So I'm like, let me write a book, and that will be top book Nibia. Or Fana Sebia or Onyema. No, say no, because if Queen Richard did it for the 1st, the 2nd, the 3rd, maybe the Abakupi, I can do it.
And now, so suppose a choir and nam so I will copy sa honor, sa or huna, sa or identify sa choir or better training who free home.
Intimate sisters, I only Adiami advocated to the youth. Guide your womb. Guide your womb. And yes, why your Baba was his son, Obia, Kekeno, no. So when you watch yourself by abstaining, won't buy.
Wow.
Because mentally, what a man you have given birth with decide not to help you take care of the child. Mentally, what it does to you, you have no idea. When you're stronger, you end up in a mental home. Because
that's
psychologically,
that's true.
And crowd drain us mentally.
Yeah.
Because even stop it in the crowd.
because typically I am kora no musro me man into the me man no hope and no one be basic but oba ne de
o training o crash stop the man can cry ejuma kesi intimately a youth no me say guide your womb say even no worry empo na be makwa ne be wo wan worry no be responsible for the child na akra ne be hu me first child we call no name papa and I'm no case we hu ne da na second one ne oko 4 years na neafi papa be unity on the 25th of April at Grand Casamora Hotel na biato it be ka ba to Sompa ha na wo ba ha bia na wo kwa what ba akoko it be ama wo bad girl all growing up or share book on my scars my testimony. Yes, I have a testimony but there has been scars.
That's right.
Can you go through that scars? Can you stand it? Somebody have even committed suicide with this same scar with J Quiness on once I left her.
Time now.
The time is 4 p.m. You know, Saturday there are events they share 4 p.m. opportunity to be on radio to talk about my book, and this opportunity means a lot to me.
You are an inspiring woman, really.
Know,
and like you said, no day.
Yes.
So there are others, so that mistakes are almost so mistakes. No, I well.
Thank you.
We pray that Saturday launch, be very successful. And Abena Ruthy, remember. So I need to
and can I just say something to encourage any single mother that is listening or watching? I didn't let whatever I'm going through weigh me down. And I said, "Mama, shadow me because she is so much say, man, come out." No. As we speak now, thanks to God. I'm saying thanks to God again. I'm working with Electricity Company of Ghana. That is just by the grace. But aside that, I'm CEO of Rich Pencil Art Gallery. I'm a digital artist. Your birthday, we are metro for fair. Masako School. I've graduated as a graphic designer, which I have another business called Queen Richla Graphic Designs. And 3 years ago, so me fashion, and me life. Because fashion school, perfect fashion design school. See, I know so me want my business, Rich Afroma. It's for my children.
Wow.
Everything I do is for my children.
Wow.
So the name of my children are Adepa, Achadiapa, and then Shrumapa. The dinner crack Cheryl saying Crown Biadi and then And then do a papa. And we are the no say no to abortion, no matter what your situation is. Never abort that child because you don't know what that child is coming to do for you.
God bless you. Producer will be Kana.
Papa. We will come back again after the lunch.
Oh yes, you should. You should.
Inspired and use them more.
Again, also Saturday 25th April. This Saturday,
yes, at Grand Casamora Hotel, 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
It's on Google.
Okay.
The number to call if you want to, 0591 948078. You will get to me 0591 948078.
Okay.
Or any problem you can share with anybody. Mr. A mental health advocate. Maybe it so just call me every time my phone. I'll pick it, then we talk. You take it from there. Auntie Abena, I love you so much.
Oh, you know I love you too,
very
right?
Humble. Your humility will take you far.
Amen. So thank you so much for passing through. Thank you so much, and we are all inspired. I know, say TF for so. Enya bibi free munti Saturday eba betai we chief I dinner na me hu ni Grand Casamora
Hotel and that's a Hotel Grand Casamora
Hotel Grand Casamora e wa Adriga
no road on the left.
Okay.
Ability
on the left.
Producer who we there and the time is 4 p.m. Nti eba na ya betai we chairman
book lunch there and check into Monday
that's true. Bibia be fine. That's the pass out to me. Eje bre. Opesa onya de na Sompa delight. Enti that's so to me be pass through your show yi na we inspire we koso na koso na rade so oni uhwamo. We don't want to the so ne de obe duma boa wo ene wo ma no ene bibi e fa ho bia ni je I mean any awieye ena ode be ma wo enti yeta wachi yedase That was an inspiring, chat with Queen. She was about me camera for Jawa Joanna. You do about me. We brought out through the WhatsApp. Oh, Queen Richla, Nyami Onsha. Yeda eradiase for your life. Now, Saturday, 25th April, or 4 p.m. Grand Casamora or launching a book, no. My scars, my testimonies. But yenko boa no to me en pabuki hu entoma na fe eni swadi hu a wo no onto me Emma Embremo. Meda Lexter Company for us, producers of Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Or say for hygienic healthy living, always choose Yas toothpaste and toothbrush. 88 number 050-161-9588 and
Tiabasobo imagine Wagana ha any amonone enyasem ketua womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa womu die bibiduro ene besa oyare no masa de machine aka ho eyayare sabia yare bia wutimi de kone mama ade baako a woma gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha bia womu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa nifa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so eho na wo behu ye 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 na se 21st clinic still wo mo ye sciatica expert
akwada hu da chiana na ni age obani twane ni anani raho
Ghana bismaima no nua ba kusia go aboaje ni Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ye de dwumadie bia ba ye de beboa yankase abrabo aye fe ne Sompa Rhapsody eboso efi adwada ekosi efiada anopa no mochi kosi anopa no ndu pepepe 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. enti share radio counselors Reverend Professor Joseph Osafuadu ye clinical psychologist na ye theologian wa ben wo abrabo mu nimdie ene akosi agwo aboaje wo radio so adwada ekosi efiada 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. na wobenya abrabo mu nyansa ye be mo de wanamo asisi se bibi mpo ena ekoso wo abrabo mu a wonnim ne yesesa wo ya eyatie na yentufo ewo Sompa Rhapsody so na wo de wanamo asisi in a world filled with pressure, emotional burdens, broken relationships and silent struggle. Sompa Rhapsody emerges as a timely and transformative radio counseling program designed to bring healing, clarity and hope to individuals and families. Ente ya mwanka samudia ye pesa abrabo ne ye mrema ye pesa wodi nimdie ebobra ye pesa esiwie ente shanonso adwoda ekosi efiada 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. anopa bia netie Sompa Rhapsody na wabrabo ebesesa Sompa Rhapsody ye die ni da so abro Sompa Rhapsody
the Sompa Rhapsody
wo radio counselors chain so mo beboa
Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra. Midimafo, Pokwase Maira Accra.
Midimafo Heba Clinic Aba Accra.
And you won't hear passengers a gumika imu. A hona do one aircraft.
Hey, and this Accra and put them at the moon.
And yet the Muampa, the said ye, a Duchem Atlantic International University, America Memu, about Dr. Dujanfi Babasu, honorary degree as a professor in biology in herbal medicine. It is said here, I am Sano, I am more. Oh, Mr. Minim wife, your copa war. 1 year, 1 city. You send me 2 months and 8 years canon. Mr. Connection and shut down Koye, na Esakakra. She say what Peggy Mama, what you bem.
Connection, what you
about the crow? Stroke so dear, what found small. Just say, I did you woo any dear Siano. Yari Bia Tatia, ever Dr. Tamdasu and so. Diabetes, hepatitis B, prostate, hypertension, malaria. Yari Bia. Kumasi say, oh, opposite government school. No. And then Krahanso, Obepim, or Pokuase, Maira Kwanoso. For a doctor, 0244 774 282.
And at 0500-727215.
Midimafo Herbal Clinic.
Wudimafo Newa.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, Sompa Radio.
your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesa Kikwam.
Oyunyankupon di fa wastra no eweye brim enam ne nsaso ama onyankupon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We ne butai teacher Sompa first service ewo homayen enye TV program keke eye bra osro ne asasi hia eye bra onyankupon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Sompa first service entwa wo hu hoda eye dwada kusi efiada anopa no nunkusi anopa no nsie fa woda nyina share radens na erade beye.
Give me shelter when I got no other. You made a way when there was no way. You turned my darkness into light. I want to be loved. Sompa. Who can become Hold on. Anybody from Jamaica here? If the music is nice, you play it twice. That's how we do it in Jamaica. Aha. Anybody from Jamaica here? Well, my wife is from Jamaica. Can we take it from the top? Right, let's go now. You give me shelter when I had no other. You made a way when there was no way. You comfort me when I was lost. Who can become I want to be Baba. 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 I say, shelter when I had no other. You made a way when there was no way. You turned my darkness into light. I want to be Baba. You put the food on my table, God. You comfort me when I was lost. You can become good. I want to be Baba. I want to be Baba. Sompa. Pasanyo sheye enrano obesheye neso Nyame obatampa ontonko na ona Queen Richland story no was so mi ankasa Ye wera dimpa say obema single mothers na hoden na wabwa omo resources na ometumi ahwe nkora no na safe na woso wo ba tie na fe futu ofiri mu
say our nsɛm no ayɛ bibi ɛwɔ hɔ enti ɛnɛ no abedwafo ɛgye adwa pɛ yɛbɛ visit saa kɔna no na ye nim se na nsɛntɛm na stories bi twegu saa twegu saa na aware na ebinom kwa se sisi anti aware no wo be ware wo se wo twe paper ne pen to hɔ na wo mark ne awo ya aboa wo spouse ana na daachi bi asɛm bi si a wo de akyerɛ ana ya sabo eno nti ene on Sompa delight so yeah ben lawyer bi akache na wama yen omo perspective in that regard na sene mekaye no abedafo atnase Reverend Aisen
hello
yeah ma wakwaba
yeah
okay ni afrebo
bibia boko
ederadiase enti enkomo no ye de be hihye so anesa ifa aso for the some weekend ye busy until weekend net say
busy but open den nyame na front you see ye nse ne ono pese
ye say ye nse ne ye na ai enti ye first story ye be fa na ya dwendwen ho no ye nyina ye nim say RNA Q ni story ba ye omu the ruling na ba ne ade enye story nipo na ye behwe ne ye pese you I mean we'll be a lawyer will be joining us on the phone very soon inti ye saka ne pe be ma nakasa but tell us from a reverend perspective day na ye nye
say ne ekoso ne say nipa bebre ndi no kre at the normal circumstance no nka nyankopon oba ene obema no ne botae ne senka won beye ade nyina baako o say ene masa niama ne nyina ba
wow just they were supposed to be transparent na transparency na any hono niama ne ba no
exactly
Reverend what can say enti how transparent should you be in a relationship sani aya ebikura kase omo password just sani humpo no the other person cannot see phone kurapo ni ntumi nya transparency na documentation or about something and asasa obi kura to me to asasa na ne spouse nim
abna wakasa yi pa na one thing I've realized ne say nkofo bebre kura yera when we japade because of san niama we nti won kan kire wo kun no mu anasa 1 year no mu say sadi na mewo into behwe na akoto the wrong person in some wonni hobi mu a na eden sem bebre aba because exactly unhuachie kwan biom unhuachie kwan biom minimum crofo a won kunu mu
yenko ahomane so ne ene madam lawyer enkasa hello
hi
yes madam pacho yema wakwa baba Sompa delight so yeah, there are yes. Enti etie for me Mrs. Amesika Apre. Or your lawyer wo a partners at law. I what dance man. Ono na ye ne ebe abetwetwe nkomo na me say asem we say na etie ne de e wo se yenya legal perspective to it because yenya ebe ha adwene enye sa ye betena ho na ye atwetwe asem no sere ne abasa na afi ye huni ye ka enti ye nyina ye ma wakwa aba Mrs. Amesika Apre na medenchia kese so ma me nua be ma bra me friend bra Sam Mr. Samson ladi ayeneni ai medenchia kese pa ma enti senia na me ka no ye busy ye discussion on RNAQ story na ebae no. Now the latest thing nkofo kan say Mrs. Aprim Pacho to me lower baby awutie wona ma me kakra menya feedback.
Okay.
Awesome.
Thank you. Me Pacho, are you okay?
Me Pacho I me ton kapa fine. Enti na make say sisi ano ni ayekeke kan say sisi a woni obi aware a se mu ye bibia bomu a mu nyina mo ntwe paper ne pen en trotro ana se site po no wako boa twa picture na kire se me ko ha ana den enti from mo point of view as you know legal practitioners no mesro boa ye tie for ne hu nya ye nya because sisi ane de aye bibie wo ho.
Okay. Yes, indeed. Matthias, from where you're coming from. Now, I think that just like you are saying, no, the most important thing, and it's moving your knowledge about near spousal property and not say marital property.
Okay.
Pacho Okay. And you know, in a few minutes, I will try to give some information, which I believe that Abena and but yeah. I think that with knowledge, no,
that's right.
That's right. In the first place, yes, spousal property and I say marital property. Yes, is a padia okunu ne oyure omuabumaye. Not just say it must be within marriage.
Okay.
That's a more worry, you know. Is a padia boom again.
Okay.
Now, say the padia no, it could be near law, you say immovable or movable.
Okay.
If you say immovable, not just say a dying and stuff, near my stuff. Yes, immovable. Yes, a car.
Okay.
There's what company and make near me now, none is happy really. I will assumption, let's say, yes, property people, not just automatically, no. This year, yeah, 50-50. Now, Emrano and Shredder.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Emrano and Shredder, that's a fall, no. They are better than moi. I was a trust a marital property. Now, marital property, no, say, you may call major party for our really more. That is not included as marital property.
Oh. Okay.
Now, the thing is, so, even during the marriage, say, yeah, property now. I was saying to make sure I say, no. Yeah, Jonathan say, it's a particular way. Yeah, boom. The reason being there, on my constitution, Article 18 says, who crime, so I will be with Japan.
Okay.
Aha. Even in marriage, no. Why would you meet with Japan?
Oh.
However, the two parties, no, decided that on what you're one day, at the year Japan, when it is very clear that it was within the marriage that property was acquired now. And no, of course, let's say, equitable distribution.
Okay.
Now, equitable, no, it's not the same as equality.
That's right.
For a long time, many people have been thinking, say, let's say 50-50 automatically.
And to say, you can't equitable now. I said, near Fatami, near Semi.
Exactly. Near Fatal. And at the other amount. Now, court, no, a mobile share will contribution.
Yeah.
And now, will modern boy. What the buy, the year that Japadiano.
Okay.
And then the courts also look at it on a case by case basis. In as much as there are rules and regulations on how property will be distributed, court no ever will peculiar case. And sana on one mouth near a pata. Now, in as much as a lot of people are saying there, you must document things, you must put something down on paper. Yes, it is all good. In fact, documentary evidence is the best.
Okay.
However, your court evidence, your court evidence is both oral, documentary, circumstantial.
Oh.
There are a lot of things that electricity, this property, we either did it together or I chose to do it in my own name.
Okay.
However, no, like it's being touted around the place, documentary evidence is very important. The woman to me actually, the property where I believe we contribute. Mistika echo, the multiple echo
I see.
And this is coming from the latest Supreme Court decision.
Okay.
In the recent case, and all no. What do you mean say? That the Assembly Court of Appeal.
Yes.
Not just the appeal court is still going to decide. Now, Supreme Court in their latest decision, guidelines via a water court, and Sana will decide say at the way it may come out and now it may come out. One of the things is the duration of the marriage.
Okay.
What now for how many years? For how long now? What's now? And Sana must say property no. Ownership. Land no, and now Ejapadi no. How was it acquired? I will nipa back with and now say I will nipa me. Now, when it comes to even the ownership of land, no, the Land Act, it says there, the nipa mienu epom, not say omuye japadiye bi anase omuto japadiye bi, that is immovable property. The nipa ba kumpo, and I conveyancing deed no, it still stands for the two people.
Okay.
Which means there must be evidence there, nipa and then boom,
yeah.
And this is where we must always take note. It is always best there, nipa omudi ebema so.
Okay.
Because we have some documentary evidence to show. However, the same Land Act, in order to protect spouses, no, I can't say. The nipa mienu no ena ebo mutoya. The nipa ba kumpo ena the being land documentation as well. It cover nipa mienu no.
Okay.
In the Land Act no, ISR protection no. However, you also have to do your part.
That's right. Sure.
Ever share a construction, a building. At what point did it start? Remember, say. Marital property is property that was acquired during the marriage.
Okay.
It is the 8 year. Me started my property and built it before I came into the marriage. If you me read aka doors, any electrical, and the court is going to take note of all monetary contributions.
Okay.
Because this is where a lot of people feel there. Women are at a disadvantage.
And come ko be sao pose omo aya to be catch say oh wo de enkora ni ntitena fie na me koye adwuma me hwe fie ni ade no nti no wo de ko howa me.
Exactly. Exactly. And from that decision as well, no. Supreme Court who say even if you are doing domestic work, child rearing, emotional support. Yes, so we must accord it with equal weight.
That's good.
Because and I believe the reason is because most of the time, especially for a lot of women and maybe sometimes men, it is not a choice on Yechuma or but probably there has been an agreement. And what we would advise, or legally, what we will say is, let's agree and let's document some of these things. In fact,
Mrs. Apre,
the documentation of these things, it is for the protection of both. So it should not be seen there. It is because one doesn't trust the other.
Yeah.
But let's put something down on paper. Now, even aside putting something down on paper, there is nothing wrong with keeping a track record of the things that you do together.
Yeah.
Oh, there is nothing wrong with that. Because it is a game of evidence. What shows there who contribute here? What shows that will contribute here? What shows there? You look at Abena Ameshika, Shetie, na menye juma, na mefanya property. There must be something that shows. So there must be some sort of documentation as much as possible.
Yeah.
Or there must be someone that knows and can testify.
Okay.
That this is what you have agreed to.
Wow.
With the way the law is, the things that we can do to safeguard, to preserve, one, remember that you are allowed to own your own property even in marriage.
Okay.
Article 18 has given room for that. However, Article 22 says, property together. In a case of dissolution, you are entitled to equitable distribution.
Equitable.
Not just a
yeah.
And no near the Bemau. In this, I want to make sure I say, men are the things I know. Me woke up for the of war with a doors, of war with tiling, of war with safe, and it can be seen with evidence. Then near a fata piano, and no, and near the Bemano. As if you decide some of your property together, it has to be very clear. Say assassin and water for the two of you should have your names written on the deed. That this is what you are both doing. Another thing is, be knowledgeable about the property that both of you have decided to acquire. Because sometimes, what the more a dying for just an example, more dying Mataheko, and now more dying and then it will hook up for one everything and yet you should know that if you want to say, hey, what's it? AYC. Oh, this time war, your brother say, oh, what time war, Chazako.
Sama. Hey, Chazako, they open hopao.
Not just say it's a red flag. You should know that the person is showing an intention, and like we have said, if your contributions are non-monetary, so someone agree that when I worship you, and these little things that we do.
Yeah.
emotional support, things that go, you are helping to build the other person's career.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean, if you keep records, it does not mean say you don't love the person. It is a way of safeguarding. Because this is how the law stands. So the law is there to protect, and the law protects, but was a one sono.
Wow.
Let someone know. Keep it documented.
Yeah,
I hope that
and one is here, be a family. I mean, send your way, no, I am the pie, be a family. Wabo bibia, so come, interior, you better was it. You better was papa, I, Mrs. Amesica Apri, just say, did you, madama? Yamin show, I na unsure me brasso, mammy, Mr. Samson Laddie, I Mate, and yet a partners at law for you na dance man and I'm running for papa, Yamin show, that's it. Wow. Reverend, where so you at legal perspective, no, it was saying.
Yes, so sorry, because we deal with a lot of things in that manner. Into ye church san near we na send your be say, say, because most of the times, you know, a Christian marriage, you know. Who say your Christian marriage, your traditional one, any idea into no Nina one science war. But the main thing they say, you have a portion in whatever is being done in the family. Yeah.
I mean, I think it's great, and the understanding. I mean, I in depth.
Yeah.
Because now because Uncle Folk come every say, but now you know say law no, you just have to do your part. You just have to do your part. And say when you be one as a would document here, they are interest no, but
one say na make KBB say because of our culture no ntino one hwe ni year obe documenting yama yem fa ne say one ne womba. One say one ne womba no see a different case altogether. One ne womba and all ye bibisa wunnim ho hwe. And until I make her say, certain, there should be a form of transparency. I will say, that is what I'm talking about. So
your point was clear.
Yes,
I was just making another
I'm just
point.
also trying to, yes. Say, also.
I'm just saying, say, I'm excited with the explanation now, lawyer.
Exactly.
I was so being young who was saying, protecting. Even if we need our documentation, they cry
and anything you more fair sharing, no.
Equitable. What I say, describing the difference between equity and equality as this. Equity nene say chebibi
nti yabeka say rightful share
chebibi na obi oyetia me hwe height bi o dem have the best idea no obi ne oyetia pa na yama ne blog no wagina so ne ane tintin di ho no no so gina nti ne yama ne blog gina so no ne ne tintin ewo ho na be ye pe ne equity. Equality ne say yena ye the same thing ti yama me 50 yama 50 nti we na equitable nti ye make sure say ne se fatal no ne aye ne the amount say tia na we yete ne ame ya analogy ya ne ma blog de so na se na ma wa pagya
and sir what the blog see or no you we are tintin obey but ne obewo no enye te say ne aba kono so.
Okay, so I don't want to confuse
exactly. You may be confusing your listeners.
Equity explanation is what I gave. If you want to understand equity, this is what it is. That was the explanation I gave. It has nothing to do with the law thing we are talking about. No.
I understand.
I just was trying to let people understand meaning of equity and equality. Equality, yama me 10, yama also 10. equity ye
ni esene fata
exactly me ye tietia inti ye pese me ne abranti tintin ye pe ne ahihya masse blog na me ne edu and any equity that is how you explain equity to people. Brofo anyway, so we thank Mrs. Mesika Apre for the explanation. Media amama tia se pa na me gidi se wa wutie so what tia se say emra wo ho say bon ho ba ntimo bie nso say aware mu say as much as possible betumi a document here do and me emma your culture of not documenting no in the DM because even when entertainment industry it happens obi call a agreement be omun sign contract adam for na fe ye twema ne sa o chine bi no na asema ba intino yema documentation enye your lifestyle anyway. So that's that on the RNAQ story, and I hope say it's here for nya BBA film. There's another story I quickly me say shana okay, and say benya your sister will line so na ye benya na be clarify kakra because in the industry ye woman dodo na decide so political party we aba me identify with them me yi menim obi so ho be hye kukuam no aboa no aye ne obeya ye nua ba ku bi nanim but na sente mo si nkofo no omo so eve no omo man ni due enti ama onwinwi about it right. Abena
I didn't see na was any panic no onwinwi in the first place no oye ade no oni almost sign a contract bi ana. That is the first thing. Ubetumi aye ade efri wakomemu ama obi a won expect bibia enfri echi se wo expect bibia efri echi o so many pakunu se we na me expect efri ne a me ye nemu e de ama but said bibia sa ni ho e na oye anyum ni free na komemu e na ode momo na obi ankasa ne ho a onja asem no musa
ono pode wa anyanyum o e me say or the who see hobwa omo any campaign stage so no gina no tonyom
you see ni nyina ye won crofo bebre a omo so gina we stage so ye a ye nhunu omo obi a what time an emre be so what ni American so obi a wo mra ne mre be so inti no sende na so obi ja omu a in the near future no obi so be so omu.
Na se mu die ja na no nka dey.
No, and then one that is a honey problem am wo no. And then e wo hwa ye di. E honey ya.
E hwa ye di se reverend.
Ma men ka no kre no. Se sa na tie de a. Ene na che se we Ghanaians no ya sesa ye esu e wo ye mu no ya sesa no. Because o ye bribi aboa. Uji di say okay, let's take it this way. Me ji di say President Mahama a good material inti me ye bibia me ye if se na fata na me de aboa no se na be ye obetumi obedi obeye omampanyin na ode ahwe oman so a do I have to expect something from it?
Hey Reverend, oh yeah, for that Christmas.
It's not about that. It's yeah, me share. Well, we need to corruption and cost no. That is the reason. Let me give you this scenario. Obi be standing for we let's say parliamentarian. Ewo area no mu a before best yep obeko parliament no kura na sika amanfo no edi no as gracia cry de be ma no enru sa into your bar ni opeso ye a obetumi anya so mfaso no na ma corruption ne ba no iti Ghana fo be bie ye ni na senke ye ndi sika echi nka say ye di politics echi ni ahwehwe sika nti a Ghana be koso.
Inti dan ye nuanyum tofoi omunye dan inti eba omom fo mo hu nhema na
enye sa na ye ka wode hu nhemu a wode hu hye bibi mu a ejina bibi so e oso bisa hu se edan na me botai nti a me de me hu nhemu no na wode hu nhemu no wo pese ye recognize wo ana se ye recognize wo se wo sa niama wo wutiri mu a afi oso bisa hu se ade a me de me hu nhemu yi na contract bi wo ho ana ye di hu nkomo ana because obi wo ho a obetumi aka se oye nwum edi amobi oye free na komem because ogidi say no so ne contribution to that particular individual or tiny chi. Inti say ya meti say obi ka say na omo kroye na omo amboa me ene omo amboa me a na che say botaye a wode tina wotirimu say wode kodi echi no eye say wo pe bibie free mu ntia ba so yi sa adwe ne free wadwene mu na o catch on ho say wo ye e de aboa Ghana any a different thing altogether.
I see. Me then I mean obi did n'adwuma ho because obi an sorry no nga say e na me di nkofo echi.
Inti wo didi wadwuma ho no e wo so obi sa ho say wo pese odidi wadwuma ho no ye ne sen.
Okay.
Maya nwum wei.
Okay.
Me de bro na wetua ho ka. Maya dwum wei me de chaw. They are two different things.
Okay.
Now ka say me de bro no wetua ka no ana otua wo ka na. Ana say o she wo bobi. Eno na wo so wo hwe. But enya saa pa de a menji ndi say party ko no waye ne bone.
Reverend it say me ti wasem ni ya na wo ka ne say wo say onia ode ne ho ekohye saa no ohun adekra ode ne ho shame number 1 number 2 so onfa bibia valuable bi
exactly
a obenya
ho emfaso say na mpese me ye me pe mo support.
Okay
but woni o man kasa asem wenyina they are not indebted to you.
Enti ne say me gospel nyumtuni na say me di party bi echia na oma baba power na menti omu nka na ne mpese enka wo ma ya na nka omu freme na omu ma metonyum wo mu program ase no mu freme ana se omu freme na mbebo mpa ekra mu no mu freme amenye den.
In the course of following you build contacts.
Okay.
O build the contacts ebetumi ama wenya gina pa bi. Kai hu se yemfa ne se wo page me bi e na wo bu obi a owo hɔ a wo benya favor bi. Ebetumi aboa.
Okay.
Until you build contact whilst following. Until obi abo udin a yenim say we no di we echi. Because it comes with risk in itself. Because Ghana hano ukodi party we echi a o ye party we enemy. We should not be because a juma na nkrofo mekai embri bi a eba ebinum kodi di party bi echi afa ye say ebinum ye ntone nyum ebi kra na enye party ni nti ne ye ntone nyum no but na ye nyum na ode aba na enye de
enye so no de akoshe
but ode be akoshe party ni say politics amekoye ye nti na eko basa
ye story na ye refer to yi oni no say or contacting for no as to why I am friendly be almost more choice of musicians. Na omu choice of musicians a inti time omu ye campaign no ade no every ni moja ni di ko dina so campaign stage so ni ade ye no na no dey anya choice of omu musicians.
No won say obia pe bibia bibia enu nti no bi krabe timi akọ obi fi akọ wo fufu say all pe vote what am I say obekọ ko wo fufu say all pe
and obekọ
titi gate say all pe vote but in the normal circumstances no nka onye sa we maybe am free but nka onye sa but at the end of the day because all pe bibi nti but also be say won say who value ana who ye no e den value na odie place on yourself ne omuke ye nyina ya bi da o but ye no ye say ye de boa what am I say ye say ye de boa edwuma na omu ye no se ne be ya Ghana betimi afa ne ntuma pay fra but ye anye say ye ko pesike bi wom
because I mean I say we me dwelling on it because ye nua Benesansa ena okasa asem na in fact o hwe se ne recount in seminar che say o brain mo jani ankasa during the campaign no any difficult circumstances mu no digital minister ye ne ade che say a whole lot emotionally, physically, spiritually ni nyina o de shame na fe party abapawa na onya ahwe anti mo se manenka
when to me and connect you sanu ya a act of betrayal when you put na hu ye e na ukun hu na there are stages when hu we wan kasa utumi hu we on kasa utumi hu we but you see I had to say opesa okono ntokwa na media we And it doesn't work that way. Normally, if someone pay attention, media, then you get the attention. But you end up saying, "Be a crown for you."
Who cry?
I'll be a crown for you.
That man won't get me near Bannis out. Women in gospel.
No. Benis, I have been in studios with Benis several times. And Benis has been in our church before. So I know Benis very well. And I mean, Kase, all one party be no onya de. Why are they? But I think say on shall kwanya obe faswa obe call, but the channel now wafano and your channel correct one.
Reverend Enwana waka nti ohun kwanya
obe faso. There are still good people in the party.
Anyway.
But what's in the American I say?
Maybe now I've been to done it. Reverend Eddie Aison, me da say papa said na we bread. Now to me bar studio I mean him say we call program bi dey but o yere ho ba nti yeda se. Me sha no obefemu aba.
Exactly.